here we are every Thursday for 2 years. It's amazing, isn't it? So Diane, hello, great to see you. Martin, hello, yes, let's get going. Yoga, yeah, Yoga Tanya in Zurich. Yeah, great to see you. Fiona, a very warm welcome. Welcome to the virtual sanctuary that we meet in every Thursday. A couple of quick announcements before we dive into the meditation. But if you would love to meet in person, I would certainly love to meet you in person. I'm going to be in Zurich on June the 18th and the 19th for a 2-day workshop, although each day is complete in itself. You can just sign up for one day. There's details through the link in the bio, but it's called Treasures of the Heart. So the first day, Saturday the 18th, from 2 to 5 in the afternoon, we're going to be looking at the power of the healing heart. So we'll be doing some guided meditation, conscious movement, yeah, all kinds of, even going to have some Rumi in there, but the focus is going to be on the healing power of the heart. Sunday, the focus will be on abundance and gratitude, also qualities of the heart. But what's great about it is that we'll get to connect in person. That's nice, isn't it? I would love to see you there. If you're going to be in Zurich on those dates, let's connect. Links in the bio and all the kind of details on the website. You'll find everything there. Okay. Vero, lovely to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Blooming Unique Soul. What a great name. Hello, guys. Let's get into the meditation. Cast off the thoughts of the day. Let go of the past. Release any stress about the future and just bring your focus into the present moment. You know, someone told me today that focus is the new intelligence. I think there's truth in that. Focus is really a key into bringing your alignment, your attention and alignment with your ikigai. You know, we've been talking about ikigai for the last couple of weeks, being in flow. The word actually means life worth. Iki is life, gai means worth, life worth. So a lot of people translate it as your purpose. But the purpose is about being in flow. Your primary purpose is to connect to your authentic self, and that's what we're going to do in this meditation. Connecting to yourself by being absolutely present in this moment. So let's start by just having the intention to let go of the past. Even give it a little shake. Let go of the past. Future's not happened yet. Let the future take care of itself. Anchor yourself in the moment by bringing your focus, your attention to your breath, your body, your belly, your senses. You may find that depending on how you are, you might find it easier simply to listen. Focus on listening. There's also a lovely technique called tratak, the art of gazing. Just looking at something beautiful. A candle, a plant. The most powerful, I find, is following the flow of your breath. Connecting to the body. Now the breath, 4 stages to observe in the breath. The first stage, breathing in. As you breathe in, the feeling of aliveness, energy, oxygen flowing into the 550 trillion cells that we all have. That moment of stillness when you're neither breathing in nor out. And then as you breathe out, that feeling of release and letting go. So the body kind of relaxes. Yet your energy expands like a wave collapsing. So the body deflates, but the energy expands. When you're neither breathing out nor in, the 4th step, stillness. And then the cycle repeats. So always having some focus, some awareness of the flow of your breath. And that's really important because your breathing will change whenever your state changes. If you become excited or stressed, when you fall into sleep, the breathing changes. Be aware of the breath. Okay, so then you can capture, when you're moving into stress, for example, you stop breathing or it becomes staggered. So even if you're in an intense situation, you can still remain grounded, present, open, focused, clear. So just gently moving into the present, being here now. And also holding the intention to invite your body to relax, to let go. Yet still remaining upright, present, so not moving into sleep. It's okay if you do. But most of all, remaining aware. Resting in a place of relaxed awareness. And this is where your state of flow arises from. Your ikigai. There's an easiness. So whatever you're doing can also be in a state of presence. You can be moving, even thinking, working something out from a place of relaxed presence. We're just falling into that stillness right now. Listening to sounds, connected to the body, also connecting to the senses, touch, taste, vision. So the key is focus. Your awareness is the part of you that guides your focus. Your consciousness, the sense of I, this feeling of aliveness. So simply resting your focus, your attention on the present moment. And then taking it a little deeper, relaxing more into the body, into the here and the now, but with an attitude of loving kindness, smiling from the heart, being at peace with what's happening, what's alive in you in this moment. So an attitude of loving kindness towards yourself. Letting go of any criticisms and judgments that we all do that. We give ourselves a hard time. I'm not something enough, big enough, strong enough, pretty enough, clever enough. We're all doing the best. So an attitude of loving kindness to give ourselves a break. giving some space to any feelings that may be there. Sensations in the heart, in the body, in the belly. And not trying to change anything, but simply being at peace with whatsoever is there. There may be a disturbance, it may be calm. But just staying with the flow of the moment, the reality of it. Connecting to the breath, relaxing the body, feeling this grounded peacefulness. And especially with yourself, this attitude of loving kindness, smiling from the heart. And this quality could also be described as acceptance. But not necessarily acceptance of your life situation or what's going on around you or what people are doing to you, but simply acceptance of who you are in this moment. Thoughts, feelings, sensations. Being aligned or open to whatsoever is real for you right now. This is who you are, and it's okay. This is how you feel. It's okay. From this attitude of loving kindness, acceptance, we find an easiness within ourselves, more relaxed, more at peace. There's no need to try and figure anything out. And this is being in flow, being open to whatsoever is there, being at peace with it. So flowing from one moment to the next, a different quality, not reacting, not trying to shut things down or numb things out, but embracing yourself with loving kindness and being open to whatsoever is there. This is being in flow. This is the doorway into the healing heart, to transformation, to raising your vibration, to finding fulfillment. So resting your focus on the stillness, this awareness that's always in the background, always present. This is who you are, your authentic self. That guides your focus. falling more deeply into that stillness. The gaps between the thoughts. When you're neither breathing in nor out. Just noticing those quiet moments and appreciating the quality of that stillness, the joy that arises from silence. The joy of being. And as we come to the end of the meditation for the last minute or so, just let go into that silence. Just really let it resonate with every cell of your body. Being absolutely aware. Grounded, present, and relaxed. So thank you so much for sharing your presence, your heart in this virtual sanctuary where we come, we connect, we create an energy field that transcends time and space, where we can nourish each other through the heart connection. Isn't that wonderful? So I wish for you an amazing evening or morning, depending what part of the world you're in. And thank you, Suzanne. Lovely to see you. Congratulations about Boston. Thank you, Peaceful Angel. Thank you, Annalise. Beautiful to see you. Thank you, Sabrina. Lovely to see you, my dear. Caroline, Jennifer, Namaste, Gasso. Thank you for sharing your heart and your presence. Thank you, Judith. Yes, it's all about the heart. Everything's about the heart. Peaceful Angel heart. Yeah, there we go. Have a lovely evening to you, Vero. Unique Soul. Thank you, Vanessa. Anne, lovely to see you. Hope your animals are doing well there in Mallorca. Yes, beautiful birds, aren't they, Martin? Yeah, my first meditation outside this year. So hopefully there'll be a lot more. So thank you, Martin. Namaste, everybody. I will see you all in the next session. Okay, take care.